Welcome you all. Today we are going to see about a prescription. In general, we already know about a prescription. It is just a written order format handled by the healthcare professional. Now, what is meant by RX, which represents a medical prescription? This symbol is usually stand for the Latin word which means receipt. In the earlier days, doctors and pharmacists were not separated. There was only one person. That one person only used to diagnose the patient and prepare the medicine and dispense it to the patient. But nowadays, they could separate it into two people. One who is used to diagnose the patient and the other who is used to prepare the medicine and dispense it to the patient. RX was used by doctor to communicate with the pharmacist. Below RX, the doctor would mention the drugs which were supposed to be given and their doses. After seeing the prescription, the pharmacist could prepare the medicine and dispense it to the patient. But in modern times, many pharmaceutical industries are available to manufacture the drugs and they lower the difficulty of pharmacists to dispense the medicines to the patient. This RX symbol denoting health and symbolic appeal by physicians to the god Jupiter, who is the god of knowledge and healing. Prescription is a health plan recommended and authorized by the qualified healthcare professional. RX sign is mostly used for Schedule H and H1 non-narcotic drugs. Now NRX. NRX, its full form is New Drug Prescription and is mainly used for Schedule H narcotic drugs. NRX sign is used to regulate narcotic medicines such as anti-anxiety, antidepressant, analgesic, and antitussive narcotic drugs. According to the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, the provision of NRX is made to prevent the misuse of these narcotic drugs. Some narcotic drugs like alprazolam, clonazepam, codeine, etc. To avoid the illegal use, the pharmacist should ask the patient to buy a prescription from the registered medical practitioner. The word prescription, pre means before, script means writing or written, which refers before the preparation of drug product. The prescription is an order that must be written down. Prescription contains some sections. They are superscription section, inscription section, subscription section, signature section. First, superscription section, which contains prescription date and patient information such as name, address, age of the patient, etc. In the inscription section, which represents what is the medication to dispense. In the subscription section contains dispensing direction to the pharmacist. In the signature section contains direction to the patient. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.